Chew on this. Fresh Ballstad halibut. Let's make fish and chips, shall we? First, take off the skin and cut into pieces. Next, marinate the fish in egg, milk, and season to taste. Mix well. Next, you gotta season the flour. Then dip the fish in the flour and drop it into the hot oil. Fry it. When it's cooked on one side, turn it over. Next, it's time to cut up some lemons for taste. Take it out when it's ready. Serve it with homemade tartar sauce and lemon. Enjoy. Enjoy.